In this session, we are discussing about real-time operating system. The topics included in our discussions are: what is a real-time operating system, structure and types of real-time operating system, comparison between general purpose operating system and real-time operating system, characteristics and functions of real-time operating system. Real-time operating system. As the name suggests, it implements the application of real-time. Real-time in operating system is the ability of operating system to provide a required level of service in a bounded response time. A real-time operating system is an operating system intended to serve real-time applications that process data as it comes in, typically without buffer delays. The main features of a real-time operating system is: it responds to the input immediately. In real-time operating system, the task is completed within a specified time delay. The given block diagram shows the structure of real-time operating system. Types of real-time operating system. There are three types of real-time operating system: hard real-time, firm real-time, and soft real-time. Hard real-time operating system is purely deterministic and time-constrained system. Example: missile launching system, satellite systems. And the second one is firm real-time operating system. These type of real-time operating system also need to follow the deadlines. However, missing a deadline may not have big impact but could cause undesired effects like a huge reduction in quality of a product. The third and last one is soft real-time operating system. In this system, it accepts some delays by the operating system. In this type of real-time operating system, there is a deadline assigned for a specific job, but a delay for a small amount of time is acceptable. So, deadlines are handled softly by in this type of real-time operating system. An example for soft real-time operating system is personal computers. The given table describes the difference between general purpose operating system and real-time operating system. General purpose OS are used in desktop PC and laptop, while real-time operating system is only applied to the embedded applications. The process of GPOS is based on scheduling, and the process of real-time operating system is time-based scheduling used like round-robin scheduling. And in GPOS, no priority inversion mechanism is present, while in real-time operating system, priority inversion mechanism is present. And the characteristics of real-time operating system. The key characteristics of real-time operating system are reliability, predictability, performance, compactness, and scalability. Reliability. Embedded systems must be reliable. Depending on the application, the system might need to operate for long periods without human intervention. And in real-time operating system, different degrees of reliability may be required. Predictability. The term deterministic describes real-time operating system with predictable behavior in which the completion of operating system calls occurs within known time frames. Developers can write simple benchmark programs to validate the determination of a real-time operating system. The result is based on timed response to specific real-time operating system calls. In a good deterministic real-time operating system, the variance of the response times for each type of system call is very small. Performance. This requirement dictates that an embedded system must perform fast enough to fulfill its timing requirements. Typically, the more deadlines to be met and the shorter the time between them, the faster the system's CPU must be. The processor performance is expressed in million instructions per second (MIPS). Compactness. Application design constraints and cost constraints help determine how compact an embedded system can be. The last one is scalability. Real-time operating systems can be used in a wide variety of embedded systems, and they must be able to scale up or down to meet application-specific requirements. A real-time operating system should be capable of adding or deleting modular components, including file system and protocol stacks, depending on how much functionality is required. Functions of real-time operating system. Some functions of real-time operating systems are task management, scheduling, resource allocation, and interrupt handling. Thank you.